In Shopify, adding multiple currencies can be achieved through these steps: Shopify Payments or multi-currency apps. If you use Shopify Payments, multiple currencies are supported. Enable this feature in your Shopify admin settings. However, note that not all currencies may be available for your store. Multi-currency apps. Consider installing third-party apps from the Shopify App Store that offer multi-currency functionality. These apps can enable your store to display prices in various currencies, allowing customers to shop in their preferred currency. Some popular apps include Bolt Multi-Currency or Auto Currency Switcher. Configuration and settings. Once the app is installed, configure the settings within the app dashboard to select the currencies you want to offer and customize how prices are displayed. Placement of currency converter. Customize the placement of the currency converter on your store, ensuring it's easily accessible to customers. Testing and verification. Test the functionality of the currency converter to ensure it accurately displays prices in selected currencies without glitches or errors. Legal compliance. Keep in mind legal requirements related to displaying prices in different currencies, including currency conversion fees, taxes, and compliance with regulations in different regions if applicable.